Hello and welcome to another hot tip about Super Service Triage, your VHC solution brought to you by Infomedia. Today I'm going to be talking to you about follow-ups. Now follow-ups are a very important part of our VHC process. We're able to try and capture any work that the customer has declined and deferred for a later date. They're easy to create. If I show you by clicking into this job, you can see that this customer has authorized 2 items and declined 2 items or not authorized. I'm able to create a follow-up manually by clicking into the follow-up due box, selecting a date agreed with the customer, and then of course if a different item requires a different time date, you're able to also create that at the same time. Within our settings, by going up to the 3 cog icon in the top right hand corner, we're able then to select our follow-up settings. Within our settings, we're then able to create an automatic follow-up date for red or amber items automatically. By clicking Edit and then enabling it to say yes, we can choose the amount of days in the future we'd like our follow-up to be created. In this case, I'm going to put 60 days. We are also able to create an automatic message to be sent to the customer on the day that it's due. We can enable our email message, which uses the default message within our settings. Remember to click Save. To action our follow-ups, we need to go into the Follow-ups tab at the top of the screen. By clicking in and going to the home page, it will automatically bring up any due or overdue follow-ups in this screen. We can filter this information by individuals or groups. We can also then filter the information by dates and custom our dates. In this case, I'm going to go for the 30th of June. And this will bring up any other due follow-ups within that date frame. I can click on a follow-up. Over on the right hand side of the screen, I'm able to open up the full original quote to get more detail. I can then select individual follow-ups, and if these dates are different, we can choose to do them at a different time. I can then select accept, decline or reschedule dependent on our customer's answer. We may also choose to send an email reminder. By clicking on here, this will let us send an email message to our customers with a valid email address. Any follow-ups that have been completed, we also have a completed follow-ups tab. This brings an end to today's hot tip. I hope it's been useful.